Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the summary of findings. First, begin by identifying the most significant results from your research or project. Your goal is to distill complex information into easily digestible points. Focus on the core message and key takeaways that your audience absolutely needs to understand. Remember, clarity and conciseness are paramount to an effective summary, ensuring your message resonates without overwhelming the reader. An effective summary includes several essential elements. Start by clearly stating the main purpose or objective of your study, setting the stage for your audience. Next, present your most important findings, ideally supported by specific data points or observations. For instance, you might highlight a 25% increase in efficiency or a correlation coefficient of 0.7. Finally, discuss the implications or significance of these findings, explaining why they matter. When structuring your summary, begin with a concise overview of your entire project. Then, transition into detailing your key results, perhaps organizing them from the most impactful to the least. A logical flow helps your audience follow your narrative effortlessly. Consider using headings or bullet points for readability. Conclude with a brief statement of the overall impact or contribution of your findings, reinforcing their value in just 1 or 2 sentences. For an effective summary, remember to keep it brief. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 10 to 15% of the original document's length. Use clear, simple language, actively avoiding technical jargon where possible to ensure broad understanding. Always review and revise your summary meticulously for accuracy, completeness, and overall impact. A well-crafted summary can significantly enhance the reach and understanding of your work, making it accessible to a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.